So we're on our way to H Cafe. I got told of Rev Bomb, Simon, GTR Andy, or whatever his name is, GTR Tractor is going to be there. And I guess we just overtake this ambulance. I don't know why it's taking so long to get up the hill.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth!
Wobbly on the front for some reason. I think maybe it's because it's windy. Don't really know, there's no other reason for that. But anyway, yeah, we're going to H Cafe. They're already there. They took like an hour or so to get there. They met up at 9 o'clock. And yeah, we're gonna go and crash the party. A one-man party. Well, me on my own even, should I say. Maybe it's just me being a fucking idiot. Probably me just being a fucking idiot, to be honest. But yeah, I'm trying to think of the quickest way to go. Well, I have to go up through Reading, I think. A239. I reckon we'll probably be there in about half an hour, maybe. It says an hour on sat-nav, but I ain't gonna be an hour. Sunday, for Christ's sake, why is there so many cars on the road? And like ones that are doing like stupid, crazy, under the speed limits. Like this guy here, just fucking Miss Daisy, fucking retard. Sure, they're not a retard, I'm sure they're a lovely person, but at this current point in time, they're a retard, alright? I just don't get why people sit on the right-hand lane when they're not going to move anywhere. Like, just piss off. Go into the middle lane. It goes to the same fucking place. I'm just watching her through her rear window. Is that sulky? I don't know. But nonetheless, look, straight across both lanes. Imagine if there's a lorry on the other side. She'll just lost her fucking right wing. And again, look, still sat, man, come on! You're literally getting nowhere quicker by sitting in the right-hand lane. Literally. If anything, you're getting there slower. You best move over, man. I swear to God. You'll start undertaking in a minute. For that, she's got to move back over though. She's fucked it. Why don't you? People these days, eh? I'm having a go at not getting over. So she got over sooner, she wouldn't have had that fucking issue. That's what I can hear. I'm like, is that coming from my music? That was a bit OTT. There's no one even there, mate. I'm hungry, man. This guy behind me is just got a poo fly with his glasses on. Literally, everyone's mum, dad and sister decided today, of all days, to go to Oxford. 'Cause, How the fuck does that make sense? To Just means we've got a lot of cars to overtake. Can't really overtake them up here because there's speed cameras and it's quite narrow and it's only supposed to be like a 30. But you know, if there's no police, in theory it's legal if there's no police about. Normally in the winter you can see straight down that, but not today. Not today, sir. Oh, we tried going for the overtake. See ya. What's this car doing? Nothing. Good. What's this geezer doing? And it's BMW 3D. Oh, fuck this. Woman driver as well. Nice. So you ain't gonna go anywhere with that. Thought I heard police sirens, but it wasn't. It's just a song. We're good. We're good. Oh, mate, that smells fucking beautiful. That pub. Oh, God. That's making me even more hungry and slightly turn on around at the same time. Like, don't even know how that works, but I ain't judging. So risky overtaking at those cross junctions because you don't know what the cars are going to do. You don't know if they've seen you where I'm sat behind the car. You oh, it's bumpy. Jesus Christ. Why are you indicating for you, baboon? Oh, not today, sir. Man coming on my left hand side, hopefully he sees us. Oh, he's seen us, he can hear us. That's cool. Something there. Why is it a double white line? I don't get that. The double solid. Don't know the reasons. I'll have to look that up on the highway code. I'm pretty shit with the highway code, as you've noticed. I don't actually think I know it at all. I'm a good rider though. I mean, until I fuck up. Audi, that's hate. It looked like a fake plate to be fair, but it was just foreign, wasn't it? parked, but I wonder where he's parked. Assume he's over here. I'm just gonna go up here. Go on the right hand side here.